In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front window regulators on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the front doors. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take this trim piece. We're going to remove this trim piece. I'm just going to use some trim tools. Just get underneath. Just pop it out. Just be careful. It's just clipped in. There we go. See, it's just pushed in. Some of these clips came out. Using a T20 socket, taking these screws out. If you need to, use a magnet. Pull that out. Another one right here. And another one over here. There we go. 3 screws. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to pop the door panel off. I'm going to use a trim tool. There's push pins all around the perimeter of the door panel. You want to pop those out. Just get in behind there. Pop those out. And then the top, just give it a yank. Disconnect the wires at the speaker. Take those connectors off. Then the cable. Pull back on that. Pop that off. And underneath here for the switch, there's a little ratchet. I'll show you when I take it off. Slide that back and that comes out. Just show you how that works. So this is slid down. There's a little button right there. You want to push that button and then slide that back. As that slides back, that disconnects the connector. And down below the light, puddle light, just disconnect the connector for the light. Might be easier to pop the light out. Then you can disconnect the connector. Now we're going to take the vapor barrier off, slide that out. If you need to, use a utility knife. Just cut the butyl tape. If you need to, you can add some when you're putting it back together. Just get it out of the way of the wires. And pull that off. To make this easier, we're going to take the window switch out of the door panel. I'm just going to use the trim tool. Just get underneath. You can just pop that off. Now connect the connector for the window switch. Lock that down. We're going to need that in a minute. Now this panel here, I'm going to just grab that. We'll just pull that out of the way. You don't have to take it off completely. And then this inner seal, just grab that, carefully lift this up and out of the way. Now with the key in the on position, we're going to raise the window. You want to get it so the clips are right there. Right there, so we can access the clips for the bracket on the window. And if your regulator is broken, you might have to cut the wire just so you can move the window into that position. Turn the key off. Take a small screwdriver, pocket screwdriver, and just push on the clip in the center. While I'm pushing on the clip, I'm just going to raise the window. Make sure that's out of the clip. You can also raise it under here. There we go. And do the same on this side. Just make sure the window doesn't fall. Clips right there. Okay, window's separated. Make sure it doesn't fall again. And you want to grab the window. Just going to tip it and just pull it out safely. Just be careful. Put it in a safe place. Now disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Pull the connector off. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these nuts off. Take those out. And grab the window regulator and push it in. There's a retainer right here. You're going to have to squeeze that, push that in. Now we'll take the track with the motor, tip that this way. Get that, pull that out like that. And the other track, tip that down. And it comes right out. We're going to take these screws out, use a T30 socket. And grab the motor, and it comes right out. Take the motor, and put it underneath the regulator, get that to line up. And I'll put the screws in, get those started. And snug these down. That's good. Now I'll take this track, slide that in first, and this one. Studs to line up. This one. Those are lined up. Yeah, take the nuts, get those started. Put those all on. Tighten these down. And now we'll torque these nuts to 7 foot-pounds. Now we're going to transfer the retainer over. Just pop that off the old one right there. It's just going to go on this cable right here. Pop that on. Now take the retainer, get that lined up right there, lock that in place. Now connect the connector for the motor, lock it down. Very carefully take the glass window, slide it into position. Once it's slipped in a little bit, you can rotate it so it lines up in the window tracks. There we go. And we have the clips down close to where they were when we disconnected them from the window. If the clips are higher, you might have to lower those before you do this, before you put the window in. And just lock those in place. Just pull the window up, just double check. That looks good. Take the inside window seal and position that just like that. That's good. And this trim piece, take the trim piece, fold it in place. Yep, that's good. Now turn the key on and we'll just put the window all the way up. There we go. And we can shut the key off. And we'll disconnect the connector for the window switch. Just push down on the tab, slide that ratchet back, disconnect that. Take the vapor barrier, get this lined up, go around the wires. Just push that in place. If you need some more butyl tape, just use some more. And secure that on. Good. Now taking the door panel, I'm going to put the puddle light in first. You can slide the wire through, then it's easier to connect it. Connect the connector, and push that through. This wire is going to go underneath where the handle is. It makes it easier to connect the connector for the window switch. Ratchet that down. We'll get this lined up. Push it down in place. Take the cable. Now with the handle, you're going to push the handle up. And then we'll take the cable, line that up in the front, push it down. You can double check, make sure that works. It's good. And the speaker, connect the speaker wire. It goes there. Goes right there. And then the lock rod, pick the lock rod up, go through the hole. Get this all lined up. Looks good. There we go. Now I take the screws, get the screws in. snug those down. Now, if any of these popped off with your trim piece, you want to pop those off. Put those on the door. Just use a trim tool. And this is going to line up here. Now take this, line that up, and just push that in. Do the same with any others. There we go. All right, take the trim piece, line that up. And just carefully push it in place. There you go. Now we're going to program the window for the automatic function. Turn the key in the on position, and then holding the button, we're going to go all the way down, still holding it. Once we get down, we're going to hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. Then let up. Now we're going to go holding it in the up position. Once it gets all the way to the top, let go, and then push it up one more second. Then we're going to go all the way down, holding it down. Let up, push it down again for 1 second, and then we'll do it up again one more time, holding it. Let up, one more second. And then it should be all programmed. If it didn't work the first time, try it again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.